Okay, this is me wearing the O'Neill wetsuit rash guard. It's a short sleeve vest. It's clean fitting, but it's not restricting. I don't feel restricted. I've got free movement, and I have actually worn it for quite considerable periods. I bought it essentially for wild swimming. And to give me some protection in very cold water. I have been swimming on New Year's Day, etc., etc. When you go wild swimming, you can pull it. If you notice, you can pull it quite down. I can actually change into my costume and using this as a decency guard, and a little bit of water enters in, but then it stays there. It's not moving around. So I found it very useful for wild swimming. It's also very good for all the board sports, stand-up paddle, surfing, so that you don't get too sunburnt. That's why it's called a rash guard. So it's a very versatile thing that you can use for swimming. I also wear it on very hot days. I've worn it on very hot days just on the beach. It doesn't overheat me, but it does protect me. Protects me from the wind, protects me from the sun, protects me from the cold. Now when I bought this, or one day I wanted to buy a product like this, I couldn't tell just from looking at the product lists on Amazon or in other catalogues exactly what the thing would be like. What I didn't want was a huge thick thing. This is like a sports vest, a technical t-shirt, but it clings a bit more and it's a bit more elastic, but it's not uncomfortable, and that's all I want to demonstrate. And you can decide whether that's the product you're looking for as well. There's a link to it in the description. Go and see other people's comments. But this is what a short sleeve basic skins they kind of call it a wetsuit. It's not a wetsuit. I didn't want a wetsuit. I don't want all the hassle of putting on all that gear. I want something simple, and this is I've been very happy with this product.